so glad you've joined us today. I'm Allison Brune, and this is my daughter, Delia Folk, and we're here with the fabulous makeup artist, Lori Young, at the gorgeous Violet Gray store in Los Angeles, California at Melrose Place. So today she's going to talk about a way to take Delia from day to night, which I think is a big thing for younger women who are going out and about on the town almost every night after work. So come along with us.
Now I'm an entrepreneur. I work in my apartment and I usually have an event every night. So what is an easy way to go from my daytime makeup look to va-va-voom, glam it up for nighttime?
Cool, I love that question. So easy. This is going to be super simple. Most people I find that come in here to Violet Gray, they're kind of their daytime look is mascara, maybe a little eyeliner on top, brows, like a lip gloss, something pretty simple. And they may not have a lot of time to go from, day to night for their event. So what I recommend is just grabbing a bolder lipstick, something brighter, something fun, maybe a red or like a brighter pink, and then popping in more liner and a little powder, and I feel like that takes you from day to night really easily. Okay. So let's start with a little bit of, I'm just going to clean you up really quick. A lot of times, after a long work day, maybe your concealer has sort of faded away and you need a little refresher. So definitely love to keep a concealer with me for freshening up because it's so tiny. You can use your fingers or a brush. So definitely freshen up with a little concealer under the eye. Just takes a second. I also like to take the concealer a little bit farther down. Not just under the eye, but to kind of brighten this whole section up onto the top of the cheekbone. Yeah. Especially because you may not bring your foundation with you. You may just have a little concealer in your bag, and this is a way to kind of give you that fresher look without having to redo your foundation. And again, you can use your fingers for this. You would kind of just tap it on. I like to use a brush or a sponge. You can also sort of brighten any areas that you feel you may have gotten red throughout the day or maybe kind of faded away foundation. I've touched up your concealer. Now I'm going to go into an eyeliner. Quickest way is dark brown or black, and you're going to line your inside rim, just like we did with our smoky eye tutorial. So go ahead and look up. So this is your waterline. I'm popping a little bit of black here. Pretty. Made your eyes really pop. It looks very clean. I'm gonna reapply your eyeliner on the top of your lash line. Whoops. And sometimes by the end of a long day, maybe you didn't have eyeliner, maybe you just had mascara on, or the eyeliner's kind of faded a tad. So I've applied your eyeliner here. Now if you're not an expert at applying liner and you feel like you didn't get it on there perfectly or it's not perfectly straight, you can take a little blending brush, super easy, and you're just kind of smudge it down. So run the brush across the eyeliner, and it creates a little bit of a softer, smudgy look.
Interesting.
So again, it doesn't have to be a perfect line because you're smudging it down anyway. So this is a little angled eyeliner brush.
Very cool.
Super easy, super fast. If it looks a little bit undone, that's actually kind of a cool look. So it doesn't have to be perfect. And I did a waterproof eyeliner, so it's going to wear if you're out and it's hot. So take a look at just a really quick way to make your eyes pop.
Beautiful.
And I always like to go twice on the inner rim.
Oh,
Let's go back over it one more time to make it a little bit more opaque.
Yeah.
And for sure I would recommend waterproof. If you're going to be lining your inner rim.
Yeah.
You want something that's going to last. That's a quick little way to make your eyes pop. Now we'll pick out a fun, bold lip.
Yay!
And because I didn't do too much smudging, it's a little bit more of a cleaner eye.
Yeah.
I think a bold lip will be really lovely.
So fun. I love bold lips.
Same.
Pinks and reds and all of it.
Yes. Let's go for this color. This is a really pretty,
Oh, beautiful.
kind of a raspberry tone.
Yeah.
Chanel. It's a long wearing
Okay.
cream lipstick. I definitely recommend using a lip liner if you're going to go for a bold
Okay.
lip. You want it to look very clean and precise. So I'm going to apply your lip liner first. And I don't try to draw the line all the way across. I just move it in short little strokes. And that helps me get a cleaner line. Now, if you're not into wearing bold colors, but you want to do a little something, you can always take a bold color and sort of smudge it down almost like a little stain. It'll give some depth to the lip. You hold the color so well. It's
Yay.
beautiful.
Thank you. Ooh, love it.
Pretty, right?
Mm-hmm.
When I do go this bold, I do want it to look a little bit more clean. So I might go back with my liner and just make it a little bit more precise. Definitely sharpen your liner key. One of my pet peeves is when people don't fill the liner all the way to the inner corner. So I like to just make sure that the color goes all the way in. There you go, you're all set.
Thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. I hope you got some great tips. We are both thrilled with our look. We will make this video shoppable, of course, and get ready for some violet gray overload because we are going to be talking about this for a long, long time. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and we can't wait to see you next time.